Remember how we set up Llama 3.2b locally in the last video? Now let's make it actually useful for data science and stop paying for expensive API calls to OpenAI. Have you ever tried using ChatGPT's API for data analysis? Those API costs add up fast. 0.02 of a dollar per 1,000 tokens might not sound like much until you're processing entire datasets. Today, I'll show you how to integrate our local Llama 3.2b with Python and Jupyter notebooks so you can process data, generate code, and analyze results without worrying about API costs or data privacy. We'll be using three main components: our local Llama installation from the last video, Python, and a simple wrapper to make everything work smoothly. No fancy cloud services, no API keys, just pure local processing power. First off, do pip install. Llama and pip install pandas. Wait for dependencies to install and then set the imports and the local model. Set up the response object from Llama and then set up the messages from the user. Lastly, do a quick print to see the results from the AI. Next up, we will use a CSV data from our device. Here we can display how to do context analysis using Llama 3.2b locally. Import the dependencies and then set df as our CSV data. Set our class from Pydantic and then our corresponding prompt. Set the function with the try block with our corresponding completions message from the AI. As you can see, the first example I have shown you was just part of this process in the context of an iteration. Next up is we will put up an except block to catch errors. Finally, we will display the new column generated from the results of the AI response for each row that we have. If a sentence has a context about AI, 1 is returned, and if not, 0 is returned. Just from this showcase, you could see that local AI can be used for data validation, sentiment analysis, data cleaning, and many more things for free. And there you have it. You've just turned your local Llama into a powerful data science assistant. No more API costs, no more privacy concerns, just pure local processing power. Drop a like if this saved you some API money, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI and data science content. Next week, we'll look at fine-tuning this setup for specific tasks.